Bitter almond oil, a toxic compound, effectively treats various infections by acting as a bactericide, antiviral, and fungicide, affecting animal life and bacteria, germs, fungi, and viruses. Bitter almond oil, containing hydrogen cyanide or hydrocyanic acid, can inhibit cancer cell growth and stimulate healthy cells to replace malignant ones. Bitter almond oil strengthens sensory organs, strengthens the body, and prevents stress that may lead to depression. Bitter almond oil, despite its toxic nature, is used as a disinfectant due to its ability to cause vomiting and loose intestine movements in low doses. Bitter almond oil enhances eyelash vitality and luster due to its rich vitamin content, nourishing and resulting in strong, healthy, and long eyelashes after regular use. Consuming small amounts of bitter almond oil can aid the body in eliminating toxic substances through sweat, urine, and excrement, leading to weight loss, relaxation, and reduced blood pressure. Bitter almond oil, containing amygdalin, can cause numbness and anesthetic effects on nerves, making it suitable for local anesthesia and avoidance for general anesthesia. Bitter and sweet almond oil are commonly used for calming muscle aches and sensitivity, while aromatherapy uses them to loosen knots, improve circulation, strengthen bones, and alleviate throbbing muscles. Bitter almond oil is utilized for treating chronic fevers in low doses, preventing fungal infections, particularly in the foot area, and eliminating fungi in affected areas.